In early 2023, strange reports began to surface from the Russian front lines. Dozens of AI-powered drones stopped responding. Some turned around mid-flight, others crashed, and a few switched sides. At first, it looked like a glitch, but behind the scenes, a deeper story was unfolding. One that sounds like a sci-fi thriller, but might be real. This is the story of a lone hacker in Ukraine who allegedly hijacked an entire fleet of Russian AI drones using a laptop, an open-source vulnerability, and a connection to the dark web. According to leaked documents and independent reports, the drones were running a machine learning model for autonomous targeting and navigation. But the software hadn't been updated in months. It was vulnerable. The hacker found a weakness in the way the drones authenticated commands. With just a few lines of code, he slipped in, undetected. And once inside, he rewrote the command logic. Instead of targeting Ukrainian assets, the drones began flying in loops, landing harmlessly, or even dropping supplies over the wrong territory. Some were reportedly reprogrammed to send live camera feeds back to Ukrainian forces. What makes this case unique is that it wasn't brute force. It was finesse, a surgical digital strike. Russia never confirmed the breach. But after the incident, they grounded their autonomous drones for weeks. No one knows the hacker's real name. Online, he's known only as Samrak, Ukrainian for twilight. He hasn't been heard from since. Is the story real, or part of modern cyber folklore? Either way, it's a glimpse into a future where war isn't just fought with weapons, but with lines of code. This is Techie Tales. Subscribe for more stories about how tech is changing the world in ways we're only beginning to understand.